easily taken as Devine feeds Spencer. Rocket, Duncan straight through. He'll have too much pace, I think. Should go all the way. What a great try. Fantastic.
Umaga gives Rokocoko the space to run. And run he does. The bounce will be good. It's all over. Joe Rokocoko. The Bledisloe Cup stays in New Zealand.
Again, big pass across field and pass infield to Howlett, then straight out to Rokocoko in a bit of space. He's going to have Shepherd on. Oh, brilliant! Cleaned him up on the outside. And Smokin goes back in.
Australia, retire. And it's a chance for Marika Koroibete to come away. Must be a try for Australia. Marika Koroibete. What a start to the second half. Australia right back in the fight.
Here they are again. Fiji's 50. Over to Koroibete. First it was Karevi. Now Marika Koroibete for Australia.
Let's go on with it. Raululu. Bobo. Sireli Bobo. Beats the first. Beats the second. Bobo. One to beat. He's going to score. Oh, he's unstoppable in this form.
Sireli Bobo coming towards halfway. If he gets into open space, there's trouble afoot.
Watch this man go. Sensational.
Didi goes behind.
Good off for Sireli Bobo with the left foot step on. Viliame Yongi, that's goodbye. And Bobo's in for a spectacular.
Links up well, but Collins drops it. And away goes Vunibaka again. Here's trouble. They're not going to catch him. This will be two. Major Meyerhoff has opened them up again. Robinson to Vunibaka. Could go all the way. In fact, he will, really. They're not going to stop him from here.
Now Devine back in half-back. Now Rupeni going to have Kunway on. Oh, straight past him. Straight past him. Major. Unbelievable.
Now here is Sireli. Now here's trouble. Unbelievable. Logan is coming across, but give it to Dowdell. And he is go.
Firstly, they work it through the middle. Now the pass floated out wide to Lutumailagi, the Nadonga flyer. Sinatra comes across, and even he can't stop him. And they break out again, and it's the same as Lutumailagi. They won't stop him. Once again, Fiji go end to end. Sides in Wellington by 5 games to 4. They've met in 3 finals, of which New Zealand has won 2. But now Fiji are going to get the first chance for points on the board. Rocky Khan cannot get across. And Joeli Lutumailagi strikes first for Fiji.
Gone onto the foot of forward, and he puts it over towards Radradra. He takes it, he's got support. He gets out of the tackle, he gets away again. He's gone outside the 30, the 40, the halfway. He's sprinting away. Here comes the last line. The last desperate line's not going to get him. And it's a try for Radradra of about 90 metres. Radradra, the big man, takes it beautifully. Steps out of the tackle, runs 25, 30, 40, over halfway, still going, big Radradra, he goes all the way, Radradra, it's a 100-metre exhibition, what a try! And then long pass taken by Radradra, who wants him? You take him, he's yours. Radradra sprinting, here comes Gutherson inside, French outside. Radradra says, no way, this is my try, this is my try. Stabs it down into the corner, fielded on the full by Jarryd Hayne, and Hayne is able to step and he's outside the 30-metre line. Here goes Jarryd Hayne sprinting down the right touchline, and Mason's his nearest rival, and clear the tarmac, the plane is coming in.